It was Saturday afternoon, and I was feeling so hungry. I opened my fridge and saw something amazing, a big, tasty sandwich. It had cheese, lettuce, tomato, and just the right smell. I smiled and said, "Oh, yes, lunchtime." But as soon as I reached for it, the sandwich suddenly said, "Hey, wait a second. Don't eat me yet." I jumped back. "What? A talking sandwich?" The sandwich laughed and said, "Relax. I am not dangerous. I'm here to help you." I rubbed my eyes. "Help me? How can a sandwich help me?" The sandwich smiled and said, "You have been trying to learn English, right?" I nodded slowly. "Yes, but how do you know that?" It said, "I heard you watching English videos while you were making me." I started laughing. "Okay, you got me. But what can you teach me?" The sandwich crossed its little bread arms and said, "Let me tell you the secret recipe to learn English." I sat down at the table, completely confused but curious. The sandwich said, "First, listen to English every day. Stories, podcasts, or even songs. Your ears need English like I need cheese." I laughed again. "Okay, that's funny." Second, it continued, "Speak out loud, even if you make mistakes. Don't be shy. Even a broken sentence is better than silence." Third, read short stories. Stories make English easy and fun, just like dessert after a good meal. Fourth, write a little every day. Even one simple sentence helps your brain grow stronger. Then it looked at me seriously and said, "And most important, be consistent. A little English every day is better than a lot once a month." I smiled and said, "Wow, you're a smart sandwich." It winked and said, "Well, I'm full of knowledge and cheese." I started laughing so hard that I almost forgot I was hungry. Then the sandwich said, "All right, lesson over. You can eat me now." I looked at it and said, "You sure?" It nodded. "Yes, learning English takes energy. I'm your fuel." So I took a bite, and you know what? It was the most delicious English lesson I ever had.